Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create this beautiful Eid poster design using AI and Adobe Photoshop. The base of the design is this image, which I created using this prompt. The prompt is mentioned in the description of the video. I used this prompt to create image in different AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Nanobana. It may take multiple attempts to get the perfect result, so be patient. This is the image I selected for the design. Save the image to your computer. Open Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document using these dimensions. Go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded, select the image, and place it into the document. Adjust its size and position. Then go to the Filter menu and open Camera Raw Filter to enhance the image colors. I selected the Auto option from the Edit panel, and the result looked amazing. Now add a layer mask to the image. Select the mask, choose the brush tool with these settings. And apply it like this. Next, I have this Arabic vector text. To get this Eid text in Illustrator, watch my previous video. The link is mentioned in the description. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. And Ctrl+V to paste it into Photoshop. Adjust its size and position. Right-click on the layer and open Blending options. Go to Underlying Layer and drag the slider toward the right side. Hold the Alt key to split the slider, then drag it further for a smoother effect. Now apply a shadow to it. Follow my shadow settings. Select the Type tool and type your text. Follow my text settings. Copy the layer style from the Arabic text and paste it onto the English text. Then I have this additional text and logo. Place them into the design. And that's it. Share your thoughts about the design. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching.